Use the rectangular method to multiply two whole numbers together. So let's try and solve this problem. 28 people each paid $34 to watch a show. How much was paid in total? If you were going to draw a diagram to show that, you might say that we've got our $34. There's our $34 that one person's paid, and that's going to happen again 28 more times. So that keeps going on, as we can imagine. So that $28, so that $34 happens 28 times. And you can see here that we've got our rectangle coming across. And we're going to need to multiply our $34 by the 28 people to see how much was paid in total. So when we're multiplying, we need to use a rectangle. This is a rather complicated multiplication, so rather than saying 34, we could rewrite it as 30 plus 4. And that's going to be multiplied by 20 plus 8. And so we've broken those numbers down into their decimal place value. Now we can put our rectangle together and start to multiply everything together. So we've got 34, which is 30, plus a 4, and we've got 28, which is a 20, plus an 8. And in the middle here, this is going to be our rectangle. One side of the rectangle is 34, and the other side of the rectangle is 28. But we're actually going to work out our calculation in 4 sections and then add these 4 pieces together to find our final answer. So there's our rectangle. In this box, we're going to do 20 times 30. Let's see what that comes out to be. 20 times 30. 20 times 30, well, we can start by doing 2 times 3, which is 6. And then we can see what else we need to have. Well, we've also didn't have 2 and a 3, we actually had 20 and 30. So we had, because we had 20, we have to add a 0 here, and because we had 30, we had to have another 0. So 20 times 30 is 600. It doesn't matter the order in which you work out these answers. So this one would be 20 times 4. 20 times 4. Now let's break it down to make it nice and simple. 2 times 4 is 8. And then we will have just our 1 0, because it wasn't 2, it was actually 20. And therefore 20 times 4 will be 80. In this section we're going to do 8 times 30. 8 times 30. Let's keep it nice and simple. Doing the number part first, 8 times 3 is 24. And then we had a factor of 10 to deal with because it was 30. So we need to make sure that it's included in our answer, and that's 240. And then our final answer will be 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32, and that doesn't need to be adjusted. Finally, these 4 sections need to be added together. So making sure that we keep our decimal place value lined up, 600, 240, 80, and 32, we can work out what the total area of that rectangle would be and the answer to the problem. In the units column, there is a 2, 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15. We carry the 1. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So therefore, the total amount of money paid altogether to watch the show, or the income for the show, was $951.